ay mag-upload muna tayo ng video bago tayo maglaro Rec Room. Bago tayo maglaro Rec Room, guys.
$5 VR headset all the way to $5,000 VR headset. These are the ShineCon glasses. It was so cheap and it's meant for your phone. Plus it comes with a headphone jack, but no phones have this anymore. Now for $250 is the MetaQuest 3S. It's the best VR headset in the world, has full color pass-through, and you can buy my Gorilla Tag bundle on it. Next up is $1,000, the Olympus iTrek. Originally used as a personal video viewing device, the wires are...
The disposable camera was the camera of the 90s. It was my... The disposable camera was the camera of the 90s. It was my...
So guys, maglalaro na tayong Rec Room. First, like and subscribe, guys, man. Naglalaro na tayong Rec Room. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa room ko. Ito na yung Rec Room. Okay, package. Ang binili ko. Ayan. Grab. Ano to? Add backpack. Para saan to? May backpack ba ako? Tama na. Tama na ang backpack. Grab. Ano nga i-throw natin? Throw. Puk, pakakan. Hindi na siya tayo sa uy, teka lang guys. Nagkawa yung kambal. Laro na lang. May volleyball kaya dito? Volleyball. Meron bang volleyball? Volleyball. Paintball. Guys, dito na. Okay guys, dito na tayo ngayon. So, ang gagamitin ko ngayon ay color. Ito. Wala akong pera, so saan tayo pwede makakuha yun. Nyo ba rin? Papa. Yung cellphone ni Aaron. Dalaw. Dito naman. Ayos. Doon, no? May shield na nga. Meron. Nasaan yung kakalabanin? Masapak ko. Wala man yapa pa. Ay! Try mo na guys. Tupod.